As far as New Delhi is concerned, you must note that there is a lot happening from the 16th until the 20th of this month. But the big question at this stage, will India lead the AI age? Well, in this interview, Abhishek Singh, CEO of the India AI Mission, speaks to my colleague Vasudha Venugopal and breaks down how India is turning its digital public infrastructure into a global AI launchpad for the next 500 million users. This ahead of a global artificial intelligence summit being hosted in New Delhi that signals to the world that India is serious about artificial intelligence and will provide opportunities to spur interesting collaborations. Listen in.
The global AI spotlight is going to be on India as the stage is all set for the India AI Impact Summit. This is going to be a grand conference of policymakers, stakeholders and innovators, and all the work for this summit is happening here at the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. The man who's leading this charge is Abhishek Singh, the CEO of India Mission AI and also the Additional Secretary in this ministry. Thank you, Mr. Singh. I can see that it's a very...
Sorry for the chaotic thing, because we are in the middle of lots of things and we are getting the whole world coming here. So, of course, at the summit we'll try to show the best of it, but behind the scenes a lot goes on into making a summit successful.
Absolutely. This is a Sarkari office and there's so much happening there, but you're bringing the private sector together, you're bringing innovators together. AI, when you talk about it, there's so much innovation, disruption, opportunities, risks, you name it, you have it. What is India trying to tell the world by organizing a summit of this scale?
See, India is generally looked at as a technology superpower, wherein we are using technology not only for improving governance, but Indian IT engineers, Indian IT companies have been the prime technology service provider for the whole world. So, and our engineers are part of almost every big tech company that you can think of, and some of them are even leading them as CEOs. So when India is doing the summit, what we are showcasing to the world is our skills, our talent, our workforce, our companies who have the potential for building AI solutions for the whole world. That's number one. Number two, the first time this summit is happening in a country of the global south, a developing country. So we also want to bring the voice of the global majority at the world stage. So when AI governance is decided, when the way AI should be developed, deployed and regulated, that conversation is happening, we need to bring the voice of the developing world at that table. And most of the countries, the global south, they trust us because of the trust they had when we came out with the concept of DPI, the G20 leadership that we had. So on that grounds, we are trying to ensure that, one, we showcase our strength, and second, we also kind of bring the voice of global south, and third, we also kind of drive up investments in India's IT ecosystem, in the infrastructure. We have heard some announcement on the data center investment that happened. As we move forward, we do hope that there will be a lot of funds and VCs who will be looking at investing into Indian companies, India's deep tech startup ecosystem, and to ensure that we start creating IP within India.
Absolutely. All are expected to come because Sam Altman to Sundar Pichai to Anthropic, all the big names are there as part of the agenda. And what kind of preparations have you put in place? Because we saw reports that hotels are all booked. What kind of preparations, logistical, preparations are going on?
It's a huge logistical challenge, because when you are having almost 20 plus heads of state, when you're having 60 ministers, when you're having almost a top global CEOs coming, top researchers coming, and not only CEOs from the tech world, in fact CEOs from other fields which are also users of AI. Like, for example, Chanel CEO will be here. No, then Dassault Systems will be here. So defense equipment, other manufacturing companies, so they all are coming to be part of the AI summit. So it's a whole range of things. Then the top researchers are coming. So what we want to present to them is agenda which has been curated from grounds up. More than 700 sessions are there, coordinating with multiple thousands of speakers, ensuring the sessions run on time, ensuring that the logistics are well organized. The team is working very hard. In fact, if you go downstairs and see the control room in which my youngsters, the 100 plus team members are working, that will show you the amount of energy that's going. And all this team, they keep on calls till 3 in the morning every day, and they are back in office by 8:39. So it's like a lot of work which has gone into. We are just keeping fingers crossed that we do a summit that is unparalleled, that's biggest in the world, and that the world has not seen ever.
Okay, and what are these delegates from outside? What are they expecting? The Prime Minister will have a dinner with them, is what we've been told. There's going to be a CEO's roundtable as well. What is India going to present to them as part of their welcome party?
See, like, of course, we are going to present to them what we have as a nature, as a country, as a nation, what we have as offering technology products, and also India's culture, India's cuisine, India's way of doing things. So all of it will be presented to them. So that's what we are preparing for. But more importantly, presenting India as an AI force, presenting India as an AI superpower, an emerging AI superpower, which is going to catch up with the best in the world. That's what we are trying to do.